If you're seeing a CapCut network error when exporting, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help you get back to exporting normally. We'll walk through the exact settings to change in CapCut, clear out any cache data that could be causing problems, and then I'll show you one extra network stability tip that can make a big difference. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner and click the menu button. From there, go into Settings. In the Settings window, find the Performance tab. This section controls a few options that can affect how CapCut runs on your computer, especially when you're exporting videos. Now look for the option that says Speed up hardware encoding. If that box is turned on, uncheck it. Hardware acceleration can sometimes create export issues, especially if CapCut is having trouble communicating properly with your system or network. After turning it off, click Save to apply the change. Then close CapCut completely and restart it. Restarting is important because it makes sure the new setting is fully loaded. If the problem is still happening, the next thing to try is clearing CapCut's cache and disabling auto-sync. To do that, click the gear icon and go back into Settings at the top of the dashboard. Look for any sync-related settings and turn off auto-sync. Auto-sync can occasionally interfere with exporting or cause CapCut to keep trying to connect when it doesn't need to. Turning it off gives the app a cleaner, more stable environment to work in. Next, find the trash bin icon and use it to clear the cache as well. Cached files can build up over time and sometimes become corrupted or outdated, which can trigger export errors. When CapCut asks you to confirm, select OK. Give it a moment to finish clearing everything. Then try exporting again. In many cases, just disabling hardware acceleration and clearing the cache is enough to fix the issue. Now, if you're still getting a network-related export error, there's one more thing worth trying. Install the Cloudflare app and connect to your network using UDP mode for better stability. UDP can sometimes provide a more reliable connection for apps that are struggling with network timeouts or unstable routing. After connecting, go back to CapCut and test the export one more time. So, to quickly recap, the main fixes are: disable hardware acceleration in CapCut, turn off auto-sync, clear the cache, and try using Cloudflare with UDP mode for a more stable connection. These steps can help resolve a lot of CapCut export and network issues without needing anything too technical. If this video solved your problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CapCut and software troubleshooting tutorials. And if you want, check the description for the key steps again so you can follow along easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.